I just can't. You know, the saddest thing is one day they aren't here anymore. Oh, well, I'm sorry. I shouldn't say that. You're right. No, you're gonna be here forever, Moe Moe. You're gonna be, what do they call that? Immortal. You're gonna be an immortal kitty. Yes. Look at those big feet. You planning on getting huge? Did y'all see that? And multicolored toe beans. And you've got spots and stripes and white patches. Yeah. I just love him. He's like, excuse me. Oh, I love you, buddy.